came back to look at this because I love how this looks. They're making a typewriter. It's so cool. I love how it has the built-in screen. You can put animations and GIFs on, so it's going to be a really nice feature.
Yes.
Got the nice little knob. Got that little piece. I don't know what it does yet, but that's kind of cool. I think you can prop up your phone or maybe a small tablet in this little area, which would be cool. Sounds like it's the wisteria switches, but I'm not 100% sure. But it's a really nice mix of retro and futuristic. I don't know what they're calling this one yet, but I know it's coming out in the next couple of months. And I am super excited to get my hands on it, but I think it's going to be really popular. I love this colorway too, so really nice evolution